what is hidden in your teeth? Today's topic again will bring you a secret of success. Listeners, your teeth are so important you might never have imagined this. Okay, let me tell you the secret. Keeping your teeth clean will make you more confident. It will give you a good oral and mental health. And last but not the least, it is the way to success, because once your teeth are clean, you are always ready to give a blooming smile. So please always take care of your oral hygiene and especially your teeth. Research have proven this, that people with nice, clean, hygienic teeth are more confident. They are always ready to give a very strong, blooming smile. And hygienically clean teeth aid to a nice, strong memory. So guys, thank you very much for listening to me. Please take this advice, hold it in your life, and share it with others. Thank you. Bye-bye.